everybody, and welcome to another Scratch tutorial on how to make a 3D engine in Scratch part 2. So I'm going to, in today's video, we're just going to make all of the variables for our game, because I'm thinking we should probably get that done before we do anything else. So for the first variable, we're going to make let's see which ones we got. We haven't got cam. We got cam Z, cam XX. So we're just gonna make all the variables today. Game. So we want to make cam ZZ. I think we made. Do we make that? We didn't make cam ZZ at the moment. We're just gonna add all the variables. How's everybody's COVID crisis going? I'm definitely surviving COVID, but it's annoying. So now we need to make cam X. So we'll call it cam X. Now we want to make cam. So we're just going to add all the variables today, because in the while to do is cam Y. And now we need to make cos X. Turn that off. And now we need to make cos Y. Cos Y. Now we want to make, got all the Z. And we need to make the cam YY. Cam YY. Today I'm just going to be doing lots of this, and I'm thinking if we can get 10 likes by the end of this year on this video, I will have a extra video, extra edition. And now I want to make a sprite called this one called FPS, and we want to keep it called that. We want to keep that like that. Then we want to make a variable called frame. Now make letter. And now we want to make sin X and sin Y. Now I want to make it a variable called M. And now near plane. Now I want to make the resolution 1, and we want to take that A out, sorry. Add that, we want to get rid of that. I want to make root X well. Root Y well. And we want to untick these ones, because we don't need to have those ticked. we want to make another variable called view factor. View factor, and now we want to make x cube, and now I want to turn that off. And we want to make one called x1, and then do that same thing. And then we want to make x2, and oops, I want to keep that on. And we want to make y cube, and then we want to make y1, and now y2. Down, turn these off. Now we want to make z cube. Now z1, z2, and then obviously go down here and turn these off. Haven't missed any. Nope. Now we've got all these ones. Want to go and we want to make a new sprite. Oops. Make a new sprite. We want to add want to go here and we want to add this to complete black. We want to add no outline. I'm going to go down in this corner here and we want to make resolution. I want to center it down here. Now we want to go text. I want to take the color to white. I want to go down here. We want to write resolution. High. And you might want to move that about to there. And we'll probably add, and we'll take away that, of course. Probably want to add some, just a bit of black here. Oops, did we accidentally make the text black? I'm going to make that, I'm going to put that down. Back. And actually that's done. I want to go and we basically just want to duplicate it. Duplicate. And we just want to come down here and want to edit this text. I want to edit, how do we edit this? Take down a text down here. I want to go res resolution. We want to go thing, and we want to go put in low. I want to go to one that I made here. I want to go and delete that. Back over here and make resolution me. Oh, we might not be able to fit that in. D I'll have to go back over here and get some black. Fucking hell. Oops. Get rid of that. That should work like that. And we want to probably want to move that soon. Now if we go and click save now, go code. Actually we need to go here and name these. So low is called low costume's called 1, 2, and 3. Now if we go into coding, I'm going to go in events, I'm going to go when clicked, flag clicked, go into variables, I'm going to go set resolution free. And we want to go forever. I'm going to go into looks. I'm going to go which costume to. I'm going to go and get operators. I'm going to get mod. Now we want to go into variables. I'm going to get resolution. I'm going to put here free. Now if we come back over here, we want to get into events. When sprite is clicked, we want to go variables, change resolution by 1. Now we want to go into to control. I'm going to go if then. I'm going to go operators and I'm going to grab this one. We want to put a free here. I'm going to quickly go and duplicate this and put that in there. Resolution 1, and we want to go to variables, set resolution to 1. How we do this one? And now what we want to do is we want to put change resolutions X to I'm going to change this to 0, 0. Now if we start this, behind me, yeah, so that works like that. Now I want to go over to, and we want to create, and we need to name this one, name this resolution. We'll name that resolution. Save now. Now we want to go over to paint. We want to go to paint. We want to go and center this. It's going to be, yeah, it's going to be, no, I'm going to go and change this to white. I'm going to give it a dark outline. How do I do that again? It seems to allow us to. I'm going to change this to black. I'm going to go into it to the middle, the end. Let's center that. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Remember to comment, like, and subscribe. Remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell. See you, so you know when the next video is on the Scratch tutorial in the 3D. I'll see you guys in the next one.